All right, so this is the ESE Mini, and we are almost 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And the market went down, and then it's really been taken off to the upside. I am looking for one red candle pullback, and then I will try to get in above that high uh, that it makes. And let me see. Yeah, so it's right here at this resistance of this candle in the overnight. But what I'm looking for is a pullback of at least one red candle. This thing's strong. Yeah, it still may make a red candle, but here was the trend line that it just broke, and I'd like to see everything was going up, but I always want to see a pullback somewhere. But this thing is just really strong. So I will come back if if it gets me in, or if I have a setup, I will put the order in and show that at that time. All right, so I have put in an order above this high right here, and I don't know if it's already gone as far as it's going to go or not, but got few more points up here for to get in the overnight high area. But I'm just I'm just playing the um, lines here. This is the RSI, DMI. Everything looks bullish still, so I definitely wouldn't be a seller, but I mean it just hadn't set up yet for that. But I will come back if I get filled on this. I'll come back and we'll just check it out and see what happens here. Here is the NQ, which is the Nasdaq E-mini, and it's already broken its high. So it looks like, and it's going on up. It looks like. So I'm going to keep my order in right here on the ES, and we'll just see if it pops and can continue up. I will look up in here. It should make it to 80. See all those orders right here? 341 compared to all these others. Uh, from what they say, this usually wants to be drawn up to that point. So we'll look for a little higher area too, if we can maybe squeeze a few more points out of that. But that's almost 200 bucks. So I will. It looks like might get filled here quick. Everything's still looking very bullish. Yep. So I will be back if I get filled here, and we'll just see what happens. Okay, so this is it's trading above the cloud right now, and these crossovers happened right here. It looks like it's bullish still. So I am just going to wait. I'm just kind of giving a play-by-play here. Yeah, everything's looking bullish, like it wants to go on up. So I will, once I get filled, I'll come back. All right, so I just got filled on this, and the NQ is leading the way, seems to be. So I'm just going to take profit right here at where those numbers are at 356. See all the orders are sitting there at 4180. I feel that's just a good safe little place to go. It may, oh shoot, 85. Tell you what, it's moving kind of fast. Let's move up here. I'm going to put it up here right at 83 because we've got all these others as orders that are trying to be filled. And yeah, so 80 would have already, it's getting dinged right now, but it's going kind of fast. So I think I'll go on and put a stop loss in right here just to cover my position. And let's see, right now I'm up $187, $200. Yeah, it's going pretty strong, folks. 83. Yeah, I'm going to go on if I can grab this at 83.50. I'm taking it, and it should. There's 208 orders in right here, 277 up here. Let's get it on up there, fellas. As I said, the NASDAQ is leading the way, so I'm just kind of watching that. If I can get a little more boost out of it. Let's see here. Got a little bit of resistance area up in here, and that's on the ES right here. May have, maybe I should have taken that. I don't know. We got 381 up here at 85. But those could be ghost orders too. They could just be pulling those, and they put them in now, and when it gets close, they can pull them. So I don't know if that's legal or not. I've read something where maybe it's bad practice that they do that. So not sure about it. If you're watching this and you know more about it than I do, please leave a comment about what's actually happening. Looks like I might get dinged on this. Probably should have taken the early. Well, it's their money. I already had some trades pre-market and made a little money, so I'm not really worried about it. But I just probably got a little greedy there. But that 80 looks like it's a good, strong number there. So let's see if they can move it back up. At 485, I mean 4185. I'm going to go on and move it up there since it's up in this zone anyway. That'd be about $400. See, I'm going to look real quick at the 1 minute chart to see if it's still got some push to it. Yeah, it came down here. If we could just get that thing to keep pushing up, it's still looking bullish. So I'm just going to go back to the 5 minute. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But it's their money. So 81, yeah. So I like to look at these numbers because when you get a high number here, look down here. There's those in the hundreds, 100s, and these were like 81.50. We got 258, 292 still up here, and I'm putting just below there. So if it goes and hits it, I get filled. Let's see what the high was on this. Okay, so the high is 82.75 on this candle. That is right here. So the NASDAQ is still looking green. It's getting green again, like it wants to go on up. And I may get to a point where I just pull it too. I don't know. I got, if you notice here, this is where how much I'm up on this. 175. 81.50 is where that number is. It's trying to attract to it right now. Let's go back to the 1 minute. And yeah, it's flailing a little bit. Wait a minute. Let's see what this is looking like. Well, it's looking bullish. It's just a matter if they can push it on up. So that number's dropped a little bit. Still over 200 though. 266 or 264, whatever. That high was 82.75. So right in here, if we can get up above there, it may go on up. Like I said, the NASDAQ over here looks like it is leading the way. It wants to go higher. Yep, there it goes. I think I might be able to get this number 84.75. So I'm just going to hang in there for now. No sense in cutting my trade short. So I will come back if it gets closer. I don't want to waste the time on the video here. Okay, so it's making a new high. NASDAQ is making a new high over that candle. This is trying to push through from the past candle on the ES. And it's still up above 200 right here. So if we get up to 85, I'm out at 84.75. Anything can happen though, folks. That's, we all know that. But over here, everything is looking strong. For the cloud, let's go back over here. That's just okay. So now there's more numbers down here. I'm going to bring that down below that point. I'm looking right here, 236. It's in the 200s. Let's see if we can get up there and bang that. Maybe one more push. The relative strength on the NAS, or me, this is the ES. Everything's looking strong still. So one more push up, we may be able to get it. Yeah, that's a good sign. 238, 223. They're saying that's like a magnet. That is where the price wants to go when it's like that. So if you notice, this is the RSI, everything is just DMI, everything is just looking strong. So let's see. So I'm up $237 right now. This is one contract too. That's usually what I trade. I usually keep a on the E-mini or ES. I'll do a 2 full point stop loss, and I usually go for 10 points, which is $500 profit, risking $100. So as long as those numbers stay there, it probably will go up into there and hit at least 480, 84.25. Okay, I'll come back. All right, if you notice the numbers that we lost the 200, it's still 200 up here, up around 85. I think I'm going to go move this down, try to make a little. Okay, so now it's in the range where it's already been. So hopefully it'll punch up there real quick, or maybe not. I will move this up a little bit. 287 here. It may be losing gas. I think I'm going to get up over 200. So yeah. Okay, I'm out. I went ahead and just took 200 on the deal. And it could continue on up, which it usually does right after you get out. But like right up here, it's going to go up to 85. Watch that. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. I hope I didn't get too long-winded with this. But here it goes. Um, I hope you had a good trading day. I'm good with the 200 after the market opened. I made about I think it was 150 or whatever before the market. Well, let's see here. Oh, 362 is what I made. So I had a good trading day. Hope you did too. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh yeah, by the way, I'd appreciate it if you would like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Feel free. See you next time.